Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to network share folder and drive on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, I need to find my IP address. Go to search, type cmd, open command prompt, type ipconfig, hit enter. This is my IP address 10.70.32.250. Okay, now close command prompt, open File Explorer, go to this PC. Now go to a drive. I'm going to create a folder here. Right click on empty area and go to new and go click on folder, and I'm typing the name my share. Now right click on the folder and click on properties. Now go to sharing tab and click on advanced sharing. Now click on share this folder, and my share is the shared name by default. You can change the share name for your security reason. I'm changing the share name IT System Admin. Now click on permissions. If you want, you can give permission for a specific user by clicking on add and typing here the user name. But I'm giving permission to everyone and I'm giving full control. If you want, you can choose any permission from here. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now again click on apply and click on OK. Now click on close. Close File Explorer. Now go to taskbar and right click on network icon and click on open network and internet settings. Here click on network and sharing center and then click on change advanced sharing setting. Here in current profile you need to turn on network discovery and then go to all networks. Here you need to turn on sharing here and scroll down. If you want, you can turn on password protected sharing, or if you want, you can turn off password protected sharing from here. I'm turning off password protected sharing here and then click on save changes. Okay, now close advanced sharing setting and then close network settings. Now I'm going to my another computer to check the sharing. Right click on start menu, click on run and here type 10.17.32.250, the IP address of my previous computer where from I shared the drive, and don't forget to use double backslash. Now click on OK and look, this is my shared folder from Windows 10 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.